Hi, my name is Ameen. I am computer science student of Amal College. My seminar topic is about condition statement in C programming. Give a brief introduction to conditional statements in C programming. Welcome to my presentation on conditional statements in C programming. Today we will be discussing one of the most fundamental concepts in programming, how to make decisions using conditional statements. Conditional statements are as essential part of any programs because they allow us to control the flow of our code based on certain conditions. Without them, our programs would simply execute from start to finish without any ability to make decisions or respond to changing circumstances. Let us move our main topic, conditional statements. Conditional statements are a fundamental concept in C programming that allow you to make decisions based on certain conditions. These statements evaluate whether a condition is true or false and execute specific code depending on the result. One of the most common types of conditional statement is the if statements. This statement checks whether a certain condition is true and execute the code within the statement if it is. For example, if a variable x is greater than 10, the code within the if statement will execute. If the condition is false, the code within the statement will not execute. So, conditional statements. There are three types of conditional statements in C programming: if else, and switch statements. Each type is used to control the flow of program based on certain conditions. The if statement is used to execute a block of code if a condition is true. The if else statement is used to execute one block of code if a condition is true and another block of code if the condition is false. The switch statement is used to execute a block of code based on the value of variable. Conditional statements in C programming. Conditional statements are a powerful tool in C programming that allow programmers to control the flow of their programs. By using if-else statements, for example, a program can take decisions based on certain conditions and execute different sets of instructions accordingly. This can especially useful when dealing with user input or other dynamic data. Let's say we are building a program that calculates the total cost of customers' order at a restaurant. We could use an if else statement to check whether the customer wants to add a tip to their bill. If they do, we would add the tip amount to the total cost. If not, we would skip that step. This is just one example how condition statements can be used to solve real world programming problem. In conclusion, we have learned that conditional statements are an essential part of C programming. They allow us to make decisions and control the flow of a program based on certain conditions. We have discussed the different types of conditional statements, including if else, and switch statements, and how to use them in our program.